Imagine a world where a gallon of gas costs $1.12. The average house costs $80,000.
And a movie ticket is just $3.
That world existed in 1985. It is gone forever.
Except for one small, stubborn anomaly.
Deep inside the concrete warehouses of a retail giant, time has stopped. While inflation has ravaged the global economy, destroying the purchasing power of the dollar, one specific item has defied the laws of economics for nearly 4 decades. It is not gold. It is not Bitcoin. It is a quarter-pound hot dog and a 20-ounce soda. The price is $1.50.
And if you think this is just about cheap lunch, you are missing one of the most brilliant psychological strategies in the history of capitalism.
Welcome to Strategy Decoded. Today, we are tearing apart the math, the psychology, and the logistics behind Costco's $1.50 combo. Why is a multi-billion-dollar corporation willing to lose money every single time you take a bite? Let's go back to 2009. The current CEO of Costco, Craig Jelinek, walks into the office of the co-founder, Jim Sinegal.
Jelinek is worried. The price of beef is skyrocketing. The price of grain is...
He says, Jim, we cannot sell this hot dog for $1.50 anymore. We are losing our shirts. Jim Sinegal, a man who built his legacy on discipline and loyalty, stands up. He looks Jelinek directly in the eye.
He says one sentence: if you raise the price of the hot dog, you will regret it. Figure it out.
This is not a joke. This is the moment that defined the company's soul.
To understand this, we have to talk about the concept of the loss leader.
It is the bait. Grocery stores sell milk at a loss because they know you will buy cereal, eggs, and bread. Gillette sells you the razor handle for cheap because they know you will pay a fortune for the blades.
But Costco took this concept and put it on steroids.
Think about the average Costco trip. Pallets to the ceiling. It is loud. The lighting is harsh. It is industrial. You pay a membership fee just to enter. You start your shopping trip with a negative balance. You are already out $60. Then you see it, $1.50. In this economy, it feels like a glitch in the matrix. When you buy that hot dog, your brain releases dopamine. You feel like a savvy negotiator. You feel like you have beaten the system. This creates reciprocity. You trust Costco. You feel they are protecting you from inflation. Defenses go down. You see a 70-inch television, a 5-pound jar of almonds, a kayak. You saved money on lunch so you can afford to splurge on the 40-pack of toilet paper. Even if they lose 50 cents on every hot dog, that is a loss of $65 million. But Costco generates over $4 billion a year just in membership fees. Costco is not a retailer. Costco is a subscription business. The hot dog is not food. The hot dog is a totem. It is a symbol of stability.
They did not just take the loss. They re-engineered the entire supply chain.
Hebrew National demanded more money. Costco fired the supplier. They decided to build their own hot dog factory. This is called vertical integration.
It is the same strategy John D. Rockefeller used. Same strategy Elon Musk uses. They even redesigned the soda cups, switched from tapered to straight wall to fit more on a truck. Those pennies add up to millions. Now, the layout. The food court is at the very end, past the checkout counters. You are tired. Blood sugar low. You spent $300. This is a pain point.
Psychologists call this the peak end rule. You judge an experience by how it ends.
Costco rewrites your memory. You associate the brand with satisfaction, not spending. If the hot dog tasted terrible, the strategy would fail. It would be cheap garbage. But it is a quarter pound of beef. It is substantial. It says, we respect you. People wear Costco sweatshirts. They celebrate birthdays at the food court. Look at movie theaters. They charge $10 for popcorn that costs 10 cents. The theater holds you hostage. You feel exploited. The theater breeds resentment. Costco breeds loyalty. Loyalty is more profitable than margin. Number 1, know your anchor. Protect it at all costs. Number 2, be willing to lose the battle to win the war. Number 3. Operational efficiency is your best marketing tool.
Number 4. Psychology beats economics. In the human brain, it makes perfect sense.
The price of the hot dog is a contract between a giant corporation and the working family. The day that price changes, it will mark the end of an era.
But for now, Jim Sinegal's threat still echoes. The price remains.
Don't be a passive consumer. Be a student of the game.
Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. This is Strategy Decoded.